everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are returning. My name is Bree and I am the person behind Painting with Pitties. So today I have an unboxing for you. I don't do unboxings very often, but the very nice people over at Oraloa asked me. Well, I want to say thank you to Oraloa for reaching out to me and inviting me to be part of their sneak peek team. They invited me and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, please, thank you. So they invited me to be part of their sneak peek team, and now I have a sneak peek for you that an image is coming out on Monday, September 11th. And you can purchase this kit at that time, but I'm going to show it to you today. And it is so cute. I cannot wait to unbox this for you. I also am an affiliate with Oraloa. I have been for a little while, and I have worked on Oraloa kits in the past. You can use the code PITTIES. I'll put it on the screen for you to save 15% off your order. And on Monday you can grab this kit. There will be other kits available at that time as well. So let's get into it. I have not, as you can see, it got a little smashed in shipping, but that's okay. I don't think it will affect the inside. But here is the image. It is by Vayounette and it is in French. And I did practice, but I don't think I'm going to say it correctly. Oiseau de Magie, which means magic bird. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I don't speak French. It is a square kit. It got smashed right on the image, but we're going to open it up, and I don't think that I think the box did its job, and it probably protected the canvas and everything else inside. So let's open it up and see what's inside here. I am so excited. It's so cute. I have done another image by Vayounette, and everything by Vayounette is just adorable. The wrapping on the outside. Okay, I tend to open these boxes on the bottom. I don't know why, but I just always have. Okay, move my scissors out of the way. And I apologize in advance for the crinkly sound. It's just part of the process. Here is our drills. Here's where the box was smashed. But like I said, I don't think it's gonna really harm the canvas. But look at these beautiful drills. Oh my God, so perfect for fall. Let's put those to the side for just a second. So my desk is a little bit small. Oh yeah, it is a little bit. My desk is a little bit small for unboxings, but we're gonna make it work. All right, so what you get in your kit is an information pamphlet. Let your creativity sparkle. You get a code for a VIP, like Aura VIP 10 to use on your next order, some instructions, and tips and tricks. So I think a lot of you are seasoned diamond painters, so we know what we're doing by this point. Ooh, look at their new bag. It has a little Oraloa guy on it. So cute. Oh my gosh. And their tweezers are my favorite. Ooh, what's in here? This is different. Oh, I love their little bag. It's so cute. Okay, let's start with the obvious here. These are different. What is this thing? I can't pick it up. It's like plastic. It's like a little hula girl with a mask. How cute. And then here's this. What is this? Thank you. And then it says it in different languages too. Uh-oh, sorry about the dogs. Let me pause. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Ernie is still in here, so if you are new to my channel, I have 3 dogs, hence painting with pitties. So if you hear little nails on the floor, I have hardwood floors. Anyways, it's gonna happen. You'll hear the dogs in the background. So this must be like their little business card. How cute. All right, and you get a pen with like a 3-placer and your single placer. Here is a pair of like lilac or lavender tweezers, very sharp. These are my favorite. I love these tweezers so much. I always use them. Some Oraloa washi. A pot of blue wax. Their blue wax is actually really nice. I use it when I'm just to switch things up, but I typically use putty, but I will use this sometimes. A purple squishy. You can put this on your pen that comes in the kit if this is what you use. And then here's another multi-placer. It doesn't have a number on here, so I'm not sure like how many it holds. Typically it's like a 7-placer. And then here's a tray. And then you get a scratch off, which, let's see, it says, scratch me and find out if you won an Oraloa surprise. Okay, let's do that really quick. I'm gonna use my tweezers. Please play again. So, not this time. I didn't win this time, but that's okay. I'm just gonna toss that since it's not a winner. All right, I'm gonna put all my goodies back in this really cute bag that it came with. Except for my tweezers, I'm gonna leave those out, and my washi tape. But this stuff is gonna go back in the bag. The business card will go in there, and I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna display it somewhere because it's real cute. Okay, and then put that to the side, and then here is, it got real squished. Okay, not a problem. This is our sticker sheet. So here is an image of our kit. This is the artist, Vayounette. And then this has, well, it's translated to Magic Bird, but it's in French. I cannot remember how to say it. Oiseau de Magie. I'm so sorry to the French. It is 49.3 centimeters by 70 centimeters, or 19.41 inches by 27.56 inches. There's the skew, and probably a number that correlates to their warehouse. And then it is 59 colors, and it has 4 ABs. And then it looks like it has numbers, alphabet, and symbols in it. And then these are stickers that you can put on your whatever you use for kitting up. The drills come in baggies, which I actually prefer over like the train of drills because this makes it really easy to kit up. If you work out of baggies, this makes it really nice to work out of this. I like to kit up in containers, but you can just put the sticker on the bags or put the stickers on your containers. So let's put that to the side. And then we'll get into the drills in a little bit. Let's look at the canvas. And I'm sorry about like the sun. My desk is in front of my window. And it's kind of rolled up, so I'm just gonna roll this backwards so that it will help it lay flat. And here's the top of it. Oh my gosh, the colors are so pretty. Do you see this? What is that? Is that a little snail guy? Let me look at this picture. Am I imagining that? What is that? It looks like it. Mushrooms, or has a face right here. Here's the owl. We'll look closer at the drill field too. And here's the girl. But Vayounette, if you're not familiar with Vayounette, she always has like a girl or a guy. I've seen one image, I think. It was like a take on Peter Pan, I believe. But it's always some kind of like little person, like mostly it's a girl, and it's like this cartoon version, and they're all so adorable and they're so cute and whimsical, and I just really love how magical and whimsical that her images are, and it's just so adorable. And it kind of gives you those HP vibes, but not completely, if you know what I mean. All right, welcome back. Sorry, I took a break. So first I didn't think my video was recording, and then my dogs started barking. So we're gonna go over the canvas, and I'm going to show you everything that's on the canvas. So at the top here we have branding of Oraloa with their brand here, and then over to the left at the top we have the schematic or their legend, whatever you prefer to call it. The number, we have 59 colors in this image, and then the symbols, and then the color code, which is DMC colors. And then we also have another schematic legend on the right side towards the bottom. And then if we go towards the bottom of the canvas, we have a image of the picture right here, the artist's name, the name of the image, which is Magic Bird in English. This is in French. The size of the image here. And then this is their slogan, let your creativity sparkle. And then we also have all of their social medias. So they would like you to join the Oraloa family. You can find them on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and on their website. You can also use their hashtag Oraloa and Oraloa_island_of_arts. Their canvas is a soft lint back. It is poured glue, and they have a plastic covering, and it is a thicker plastic than some other companies. I actually really like the plastic that they use on their canvas. So I'm going to measure the image for you. I know that the measurements right here, it has it, and it's a little bit odd. But let me grab my measuring tape and we will measure it. So I will be right back. Okay, so I zoomed out a little bit so that you can see most of the canvas. And I'm going to do this in inches as best as I can. Okay, so if I go from right here, and I'm going to do the drill field, and it says 27 and 27 and 0.54 actually. It says 27.56, but my measuring tape, which we know all measuring instruments are not created equal, which is not right, but if you looked at what my measuring tape says, it does say 27.55. So it's just slightly off, but not by a lot. Okay, and then the very bottom, I have 19.42. So just a little bit more. And it says 19.41. And I measured 19.42. So not terribly off from what it says on here. Okay, so I'm going to put my measuring tape away, and then we will take a closer look at the drill field. We'll start at the top, and then we'll look at the beautiful drills that they sent along with this kit. But you can see that the drill field is very clear. And I really want to know what this little creature is right here. Isn't it so cute? Is it a snail? Is it a little fairy? What is it? So I do want to mention during my little break, I did send an email to my contact over at Oraloa about the damage on this kit. I did not think, usually the brown shipper boxes, which let me take a pause. I'm going to pause the video and I will show you the shipper that it comes in. Okay, I'm trying to cover my address on here where my hand is, but this is the damage to the shipper that it comes in. So it is a very sturdy brown shipping box, and then you've seen the box that it came in. So normally when you get your packages, they come in these boxes and they're shipped very protected, and then there was brown shipping paper, like it was wrapped in paper around it to protect it as well. So when I first unboxed it, that's why I was telling you I don't expect the kit to be damaged. So having this big thing right here, I was like, oh yeah, and then it just like easily like crumpled when I brought it into the house. I didn't think anything of it. And then also the box, you can see that the box was damaged as well, and I still didn't think anything of it because the two boxes should protect the canvas. And then to see this, it's a little bit disappointing, but I sent an email to my contact over at Oraloa, and I'm waiting for a response. So once I get a response, I will update you all in this video. And if I don't get a response by the time I'm done filming, I will put a response down in the description or in a comment as a highlighted comment. But this is not typical because my other two kits that also came, I've gotten many kits from Oraloa, and this has never happened. So it's not typical. So we'll see. But as far as I can tell, it shouldn't affect me placing drills, but we'll see what my contact says when I send her the photos of what happened. But moving on, let's look at the beautiful drills that go with this kit. This is making me want to go and get a pumpkin spice latte or a chai tea and watch a fall movie and cuddle up and diamond paint. So I think I need to kit this one up like pretty soon and figure out what this little creature is. But let's look at the drills and the special drills. So I'm going to pause, unbag the drills so there's not so much crinkly going on, and I'll be right back. All right, so I grabbed the ABs, which there's 4 of them, and I placed them where they are in this kit. They're really spread out all over the place, but the first one is this bright orange color, which is 740 AB. And I found the majority of it right here in her scarf. It is the symbol, like the little sword. I call it like the foam sword symbol. Let me grab the sticker sheet. So I have a nephew and he plays Minecraft, so it reminds me of like the foam sword or a diamond. I don't know what. It's funny how we all come up with different names for the symbols, but so that little symbol, and I found it mostly right here in these parts of her scarf, but I have noticed it sprinkled in little areas that there's other oranges, which is all over in the kit. And then the second orange is like a pale orange, or like a lighter version of this orange. And the symbol for this one is the lowercase n. And this one is also in the scarf, like a Tic Tac version. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone. So it's there, and then I found it also in this leaf right here, and also in the leaves up here, and then there's some spread out over here. It's very sporadic. And then next is this pale yellow color, and this is a large X, and I found the majority of that in this part right here. And then the last AB is 5200, and it's white, of course, and the symbol is just a sideways slash, and the majority of it is like, I think this is like where the wand is like shoo shoosh. And I found it right here. There might be more of it somewhere else, but the majority of it is just right here. So that's where those ABs are. I'm not a typical person that takes out all of the drill colors when I do unboxings. If you have a strong preference for that for future unboxings, let me know down in the comments down below, and I will start to do that. However, I don't prefer to, just because it gets all of them out of order, and I'm very particular. So if you would like to see all of the drills, I can start doing that. However, Oraloa does now have, that's weird how I worded that. They now have resin square drills. They didn't before, but they do now. Let me dump some of them out so we can look at them. Let me grab one of these colors that I can put back easily. Oops. Oh my gosh, I make a mess. So this color is so pretty. I grabbed a white tray because I feel like white is easiest to... Ooh, these have static. Oops, I don't know if I was in frame. They're so pretty. I love that color. Looks like I'm going to have to be cutting up some dryer sheets or getting some rubbing alcohol to put in my storage container. Oh, yeah, they have some static. I hope they're not all like that. So, this was Magic Bird. It comes out on Monday, September 11th. It's by Vayounette. She has adorable kits. If you go to the website, you can use Pities in the code for 15%, or use the code Pities for 15% off, and it will save you 15% off your purchase. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And thank you to the folks over at Oraloa. Thank you so much for inviting me to be part of your sneak peek family. I really appreciate it. And I hope you all enjoyed this. And I will let you know once I hear back from my contact over at Oraloa what they said about the damaged kit. But until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.